You understand that Mrs. Ortega every day has to feed this child. Every month she's got to pay bills, and she doesn't make excuses, Mr. Mitchell.
Yes, Your Honor, I do know that, absolutely.
Well, you need to start making payments, Mr. Mitchell, because the state has several methods of enforcing obligations. One is to get a judgment like they're asking here. Another one is asking that you be put in jail for not making your payments every month, you see? And that's not what I'm here for today, but that's a possibility in the near future based on the evidence. You just don't pay.
This is a motion to confirm arrears.
Motion to confirm. All right, and what's the announcement?
Well, Your Honor, I think one of the concerns was Mom wanted to address the modification, but we technically didn't plead for that. So we're only here for getting a judgment.
Confirming arrears. Okay, proceed.
Yes, Your Honor. So if I could have the party sworn, Your Honor.
Both of you raise your right hand, please. Do both of you solemnly swear testimony you're about to give shall be truth, the whole truth? John Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yvonne Ortega?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, put your hands down. Go ahead, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Ms. Ortega, if you would please state your name.
Yvonne Ortega?
And you are the mother of the child in this case, is that correct?
Yes, correct.
And has Mr. Mitchell paid you directly any money, or has all the child support payments come through the state disbursement unit?
I've never received anything directly.
Okay. So I'm going to show you the pay record that we're going to call State's Exhibit A, okay?
Okay.
Let me know when you can see it.
Yes, I can see.
Okay, so we were here back in 2019 where we took a judgment. So that's what these two first lines are. Then child support was set at minimum wage, and that's totaled over here. So this shows what's owed each month. This shows what's paid, and this shows the balance, the running balance. If he pays a lot, it goes down. If he doesn't pay, it goes up. So going through this, does this pay record look accurate to the best of your knowledge?
I believe so.
Okay. Where there hadn't been a payment in some time, it looks like.
Yeah.
About a year and a half, more or less. Okay. Your Honor, we would offer the pay record as State's Exhibit A.
All right, Mr. Mitchell, do you have any questions, comments on this exhibit?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so this is evidence of what you have or have not paid. Therefore, this exhibit is admitted. And based upon this exhibit, as of 9/30/2022, State, I have the totals covered up with the pictures. So what is the total there? Is it showing on the screen for 9/30? I can't see it.
Sorry, it's
Yeah.
it's
Move it over to my left. There we go. There it is. 13,692 and 97 cents. All right, that's what he owes. Now, Mr. Mitchell, why haven't you paid your child support, sir?
Sir, I have no good reason, sir. I should be paying. That's my daughter. I haven't had a job that is good income. My brother's been paying all my bills. My vehicle is currently not working, but it is getting fixed. Thankfully, it's in the shop. And I do have a job coming up. My father owns a restaurant and he's going to give me employment there. I've been working there, but with no pay recently, just assisting because he just got ownership of it. So
well, that would be good. Mr. Mitchell, that would be great if you didn't have any children. But you've got a child here to support, sir. How many children here to get one? You've got a child, so you understand that Mrs. Ortega every day has to feed this child. Every month she's got to pay bills, and she doesn't make excuses, Mr. Mitchell.
Yes, Your Honor, I do know that, absolutely.
Well, you need to start making payments, Mr. Mitchell, because the state has several methods of enforcing obligations. One is to get a judgment like they're asking here. Another one is asking that you be put in jail for not making your payments every month, you see? And that's not what I'm here for today, but that's a possibility in the near future based on the evidence. You just don't pay. All right. And State, what were you saying about the motion to modify, State?
Well, I think Ms. Ortega was asking that child support increased.
It all
Mr. Mitchell,
depends.
but
Yes.
but it's not, we didn't plead it, so
I
it's not
understand.
before the court.
It wasn't planned, but it's been more than 3 years, so the state certainly could review it. But ma'am, do you have anything to contradict the fact that he says that he hasn't worked? It doesn't make a difference. He's a daddy. He has to work. But do you have evidence that he's working, making $50 an hour?
No,
Or-
I don't. I
or
just
something?
have family has seen him working. I know he's stating that he hasn't been paid for it, so I can't confirm or
See, that's what
deny.
there you go, ma'am. See, so that's what the state didn't file a motion to modify, because they have no evidence that he's earning more money and all that. That's why, basically. So right now, he just needs to pay. He's paying a minimum wage. I mean, a minimum wage is not enough to support a child as it is, but that's based on his ability, and he needs to start doing it. I hope he does. And Mr. Mitchell, I would have the easiest job here if all I do is say, you owe this much, pay it at $100 a month beginning on December 1st. That would be the easiest job. But I want you to pay, Mr. Mitchell. I want you to pay.
I want to pay as well, sir.
Well,
Believe me.
yeah, but yes, sir, but see, I can't do anything. I want you to pay, but I can't do anything about it. You want to pay, you can do something, but you got to do it, sir. And I hope I can get in. I'm not getting after you because you're a mature adult. But if you don't start paying, sir, if this case comes in front of me in a year or so, or in 6 months, and this is the type of record you have, sir, and they're asking you to go to jail, it's possible you may be winding up in jail one of these days, sir. And the only way you can save yourself from that is to start showing me something in the event that they do bring that action in the near future. And that's a possibility, because Mrs. Ortega, no matter what problem she's got, she supports your child. Whether she works, doesn't work, she probably sometimes has to borrow money. She can't make excuses, sir. So please use some empathy, put yourself in her shoes, and do something about it, sir. Okay? Thank you.
Sir.
That's all we can do right now. There's also court costs. You will pay $200 by January 1st, January 15, 2023. Anytime they bring you to court, especially if I'm not paying child support, you will pay court costs. All right. What else?
I didn't hear the payback, Your Honor.
The payback is at $100 per month, counsel.
Okay.
Beginning December 1st. I would make it more, but again, my thing is for him to start paying child support at least $100 of what he owes. And I hope he listens to me, but we'll see. All right, thank you both. Y'all receive our order in writing within 30 days. Everything we've said here today. Thank you both.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
All right, bye-bye. Next case, Dave.